y'all, back with another DIY. Today's video we're going to be doing a Dollar Tree Farmhouse Inspired Vase. And we're just going to go ahead and get into this video. Right here you're going to see me cutting the bottom of this waste paper basket with my handy dandy not so good wire cutters. It's just so worth it to just go and purchase some wire cutters from any place other than Dollar Tree. And you guys know we love Dollar Tree, but yeah, it's you might as well spend your money on buying some. But we're going to be using 4 of these waste paper baskets. I'm going to be cutting the bottom of each one of them. It's going to end up being 2 separate vases, but we're going to cut the bottom of each one and glue 2 of them together to create 1 vase each. So that's what you're going to see me doing here. And again, this is a simple, easy DIY, but if you buy some actual wire cutters, it will be better than using the Dollar Tree one. So let's get into this video, y'all. Alright, y'all, so we have our E6000 here, and we're going to go ahead and take that and put it around the whole edge of the top of the waste paper basket where we want to glue the 2 baskets together. So we're going to go ahead and put that on there, and that's going to help with added protection so that we making sure that our basket does not come apart, okay? So we're going to go ahead and do that, and after we do that, we're going to follow up with the hot glue, and we're doing that for the purpose of this video so that we're able to continue with our project. But then again, that gives us another added protection so that our basket stays together the way that we want it to. So I was scrolling through Pinterest and I saw this picture of this cotton ball bouquet. So I decided to try to add that to my vase as well. So in the next clip, that's what you're going to see me do, is add that to my stems as well. Okay, so here's the final look. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video because I did. I enjoyed making this. It turned out super cute. And yeah, it doesn't look exactly like the picture that I showed you guys, but it's really cute to me, and I enjoy it in the space that I have it in. It really set the space off to me. So like I said, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did, please like this video, subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos to come. And if you're not subscribed, I mean, what you waiting on? Come on, join the team. Let's go. Let's get it. All right, y'all. I'm gonna see you in the next video. Bye.